Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove filter from Snapchat photo. And here's how it is done. Open Snapchat, launch the app and tap the gallery icon next to the camera button to open your memories. Select a photo. Tap on the photo you want to edit, one that has a filter applied. Enter edit mode. Tap the pencil icon on the right side of the screen to start editing. Remove the filter. Swipe through the filter circles at the bottom of the screen. Choose the one that says no filter to remove any applied filter. Example, text like Wednesday. Save changes. Tap the back arrow, then hit save changes when prompted. Your photo is now saved without the filter. Then that's everything you need to know about how to remove filter from Snapchat photo. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.